You're recording, right?
Yeah.
How we doing today, sir? I'm sorry about that, sir.
Finger slip.
Have a good day. Have a good day, sir.
Oh, shit. Did you get that guy that jumped?
The blue guy, yeah.
Did you get him?
How you doing today, sir? I love your golf skills, sir. Hey, sir, was that pretty loud? Did we scare you? All right, have a good day.
Oh, shit.
Tiger Woods, man.
Yeah, man, it's Tiger Woods.
Tiger Woods. All right, Tiger Woods.
Oh, shit.
What's up, brothers? Sorry, man, I had to.
Oh, let him hit it.
Come on, man.
No, let him hit it. Let him hit it. He can't hit us.
Do it, Happy Gilmore.
Just keep recording. Look at him. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Hey, what are you gonna do? How you doing today?